Hello, my name is Thea Ayola, and today I'm going to be talking you through the main features of Aya. Aya is an app that allows users to find an Ayurvedic or natural healthcare professional to have online appointments and consultations with. This is an extremely helpful app in more than one way. It allows people to cut down cost, as well as have appointments from the comfort of wherever they are. So they're not having to dash across town or leave work or do anything. They can really just go and sit in a quiet area and conduct their appointment. So let's start with the onboarding process. So that's just the splash screen there, loading, as it would do when you normally load up an app. And we will be signing in as a normal user. First of all, we're just going to click through the onboarding screens where you can just skip and fill in your details as you normally will do and create an account. Now here, this is a good feature here to save time during your appointment. Your practitioner can already review you and get your vital details so that they're not having to ask several questions again and again and again, but they may just pick up on one or two of these, but this will help to cut down the amount of time taken in your appointment. So we have the tutorial here just showing you what's going on with regards to the screens. Now, we have a subscription-based part here where people can sign up, and within the first 3 months they can have a 30-day trial or a 65% off, where they would receive recipes, blog posts, wellness tips, events and courses. So that's an extra within our community. But let's focus on these features up here, the categories. So if you were to scroll to the right, you would also see other conditions, pharmacy locator. So that means that wherever you are, you can quickly find out where a pharmacy is, a natural health pharmacy, and go and have your prescription filled. And there's also a herb glossary so that you can find out if there are any contraindications. So that means if there's anything that you shouldn't be taking with what you've been prescribed, or what an allergic reaction could look like. Now, for the user, sometimes they may have more than one issue. So I've clicked on stress and anxiety there, but this person may also have women's health issues. So they don't want to read every single blurb here. They just want to quickly find out who else is going to be able to cover both issues for them. So this here has shortened down the list to the practitioners who are applicable to be able to help them with all the areas that they require treatment for. Then they're able to view a profile, and as you saw in the first screen, straight at the top, you can see how many stars and reviews there are. You can also look at the areas of focus, the costing, watch a video to familiarise yourself with the practitioner and see if you feel that would be the person that would make you feel comfortable in terms of their mannerisms, the way they speak and how they present themselves. And then again, you see there at the bottom are the reviews. Now the user will book here, and again, they are having the costing flagged. So they can see under which time slot the price in accordance, to each time slot. And they can already see which days are not available. So the user would click on here, see the dates that are available. They've decided they want to go for the 10th. They've already decided the time and they would like to proceed. And then here they would just go through the normal payment process. And then they'd be taken straight through to see that the appointment has been put into their calendar, and then they would be able to start that video call. This button will be enabled just a few moments or minutes before the meeting. But if they need to send a quick message before then, they can do. This button will always be enabled, so they can do it through the notification or through the practitioner's profile. Now, the meeting has already been conducted. I was really happy with what Yvonne had to say, and she has already sent me a message. So what you can do is, sorry, my screen was just in the way, is click on the message, and you can see right here that the user knows which area they're in because the icon has changed, so they know exactly where they are. Now, the message from Yvonne is here, so there's already been a message that came through, but this is the message that has come in today. So you click on it, nice little blurb, click again, and then the user is able to see their prescription, and also there is a QR code so that when they go into the pharmacy, they're just able to have their prescription scanned for quick and effectiveness, and then go on with their day. So Aya is all about saving time and cost for its users. So hopefully you can see the benefits with regards to Aya if you're somebody who's really busy, somebody who's interested in natural health care, but really couldn't afford it before. You can see we are catering to both sets of people, and sometimes that's actually just one person that both of those rules apply to. So it's all about making the process smooth and easy and comfortable for the user. Thank you for listening.